Hey friends, if you encounter the error, your device is offline, try a different sign-in method in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to verify the account credentials because the credential should be right. And if you have any doubts, then check if you get that message that the password is incorrect. The next one is to check the server status, and I'll tell you how to do that. So search for Microsoft Server Status on your browser. Okay, and then there's something called as portal.microsoft.com/server status, and on this website you will find the server status here, and it will mention everything is up and running. So this will be confirmation that the server is up. It usually works well, but just in case. The next one is to reset the network settings. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Select network settings in the right pane. Select reset network. Click on reset network and finally click on yes. And lastly, you can troubleshoot in the clean boot state. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services, and then if any other service is checked, then click on disable all, apply, okay, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.